Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something what you've been very curious about, which is the recipe for my smoothie. Yes, I'm doing the green smoothies every single day. I'm drinking them just to make sure that I'm giving my body enough of the greens, because sometimes, you know, when we're cooking, you're like, did I eat enough or did I didn't? So I'm just batching all my smoothies. So I thought I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So this is pretty much what I'm using. As you can see, not much. I've got some chopped apples, some cucumbers, some celery, some spinach. I don't have kale, but I've got other salads. And I've got some avocado, which changed color already. So all of this is gonna go to the blender over here, and we are going to mix it together. As you can see, I don't use any like milk or anything. It's just gonna be this plus a little bit of water. Okay, so you've got a lot of fiber and you've got a little bit of fruits to make it sweeter, you know, because I'm on my period and you know I tend to like some sweets. So I'm just gonna put this, and I'm actually gonna put one date. This is like my weak side when it comes to sugar. This is dates, like dates. My goodness, I love dates so much. So I'm gonna add one date, and this is pretty much it, what I'm gonna put into it. Ta-da! So I add some water to it. That's it. Enough. A little bit like this, because when I mix it, it's gonna be just literally full. And now I'm gonna close this and mix it. Whee! Oh, it looks beautiful. Let's see how much I made it. Okay, that's it. And to the smallest ones. Guys, very windy today. Very, very windy. Plum, 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 plum. And this is how it looks. So I prep for like 2 days. That will last me 2 days. I will, or maybe 3 even. I will spread to 3 small ones. So that's pretty much how much I drink it every single day. And I don't batch for many days, because you know they don't have any preservatives, so they gonna lose the freshness very quickly. So just 2 days maximum. And I don't use milk to it, just use the water. That's pretty much it. So that's a very good way to increase your intake of the vegetables. And I think, guys, to keep in mind, please don't drink it like very quickly, because it's still the vegetables. It's still pretty heavy vegetables, even though it's in juice, and your body still needs the time to digest it. So please don't drink everything in one go, okay? So that's pretty much my secret. Share with me your recipe. As you can see, I improvise. Like, I don't even have a recipe. I just take whatever I have in the fridge and just mix it all together, and it works. It just works. I noticed that first when I started using the green smoothies, it caused me bloating. And it was just because I didn't know that I need to give myself time to digest it. I was just drinking them very quickly, and then eating a salad, and then having a dinner with some other greens. And I was thinking, like, why am I still bloated? It's because your body needs the time to digest the fiber. So just give it the time, give it the break. Don't do it like I did, everything mixed together, because it's still fiber and your body still have to digest it. But if you're just drinking, and if you drink it mindfully, which means one sip, not all of them all together, it's actually have a good effect of debloating. It has fibers, and fibers is helping with digestions as well, so everything goes down there very smoothly. Please share with me any recipes for the green smoothies so I can try some other ones, but I prefer the vegetables ones. So if you've got some vegetables one, share it with me, That's it, guys. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe and share it with everyone. And if you've got a request like this one, just let me know and I'm gonna make a quick video about it, so maybe other girls will benefit as well. Bye. Shaky camera.